all my friends at Bihar's Teachers History Makers. Myself Suniti Kumari from Girls High School Kisargan. Students, today I am going to teach you about notice writing. First of all, we must know what is notice writing. Notice is information or written information or printed information that is generally displayed in public places like notice board, in the newspaper or in the school bulletin board. Thus, it gives information about vacancies, about things lost or found, or some information which the school is going to give to the students. So, it is a written information that is displayed to a particular group of people. Here, notice is a very general question in all the board examinations. So, it is very important that all of you should practice this and try to learn this. Here, I have written one notice giving you example that how you will write a notice. The questions which generally come is like this, that you are the Secretary of Cultural Association of your school and you have to inform the student about the program that is going to be held on the Independence Day. So here, first of all, while writing a notice, you must follow a particular pattern and write notice on that pattern. It should be enclosed in a box like this, and then on the top of the notice you have to write the name of the issuing institution. For here I have written Girls Public School Vivekanand Nagar. Then you have to write in capital block letters notice. After that you have to write the date on which the notice is issued. For example, here I have given 8 August 20. It may be any year 2020 or 2019. Then, while writing the body of the notice, there are 3 questions which should come to your mind while writing it. First, writing the content must have 3 questions. First is, what is the event we are talking about? Then, when the event is going to take place, that is time and day, and where the event is going to take place, that is the venue of the event. For example, here I have written, this is to inform all the students of class 9th and 10th that our school is going to organize a music program on Independence Day. Thus, the event, what is the event? The event is a music program on Independence Day. Then, the function will be held at 10:30 a.m. in the school auditorium. Here, the second question that must come is when the event is going to take place. So, I have written the function will be held on at 10:30 a.m. in school auditorium. That is 10:30. I am fulfilling the second question. Then, in the school auditorium, that is the venue. The venue of the event will be in the school auditorium. Students who would like to participate in the program are requested to give their names to the Secretary Cultural Association before 12th August. So, after reading this, I am sure you are quite clear that notice is about future tense. That is, the event is going to take place in near future and the students are being informed through this notice that if they are interested, they can come to the Secretary of the Cultural Association and participate in the program. Then you have to write the signature, that is the name and designation of the person issuing the notice. This notice is issued by the Secretary of Cultural Association. So, the signature of the Secretary of the Cultural Association should be here, and in this way, in a very precise and short way, you can write notice. Student, if you practice this, you will find out that notice writing is a very easy method, and fetching 5 marks is very easy while you write notice. I hope this will help you to learn notice writing. Thank you.